So the other day we were visiting Tarah's family and we were driving down a road that was having some construction work done to it. Basically they were stripping the cement or blacktop off the road and repaving it. So we were driving in the dark quite slowly because of the construction and the uneven lanes and that kind of stuff. When we passed a deer on the left hand side that was off the side of the road, and we passed it and it charged headfirst straight into my driver's side door. We'll play the little video clip for it. Unfortunately, we don't have the video footage from the dash cam going inwards, but you could definitely hear our reaction. I'm gonna play the video of the deer running to the truck real soon, but first I just wanted to paint a picture of how country this scene really played out. The night the deer ran into us, we were just a few mere miles away from the hometown of Garth Brooks in Oklahoma. We were driving down a dirt road listening to a radio station called none other than The Twister. 101.9 FM, Oklahoma City's primary country radio station. And surprise, surprise, Garth Brooks was on the radio. We were driving but a fraction of the speed limit due to the construction going on. With all things said and done, this could have turned out way worse. Luckily, not only did the deer survive, get up and run away, but the truck managed to get away with minimal damage.
But I can't walk away from you. Baby! It's a deer! Put your flashers on.
Took out my side mirror.
There's a car coming. The deer's gone.
I saw him jump up and run.
There's a car coming though. I know. Yeah, it was already, it like basically ran into the truck. Please get in the truck.
You know it should be easy for a man who's strong to say he's sorry for he didn't mean wrong. Never lost anything I ever missed.
All right. Did it mess up the truck?
Can't tell. Didn't have enough time to look.
Well, I don't.
Generally looks okay.
The deer's gone.
Yeah, the deer's gone. I saw him get up.
Nobody else is gonna run over it, so. Yeah, he basically ran into the truck.
Yeah.
You didn't really hit him.
No.
I'm sure it probably didn't feel good, but I doubt it hurt him too much.
If he didn't do any major dents to the truck, it was more of a uncomfortable smack than an obliteration.
It didn't damage the mirror, it just closed it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I saw his head was right, like, in the glass right there, like, her glass. It looked like a girl. It was a doe, I think, but anyway.
Well, thank goodness, because the antlers would probably be more damaged than their soft little bodies. And it charged headfirst straight into my driver's side door. Luckily, the damage isn't too horrible. As for damage, well, this is all kind of bent in now, and this is popping out. So now the door is grinding right here. So there's some dents here. The deer had actually pushed side mirror in. I ended up face to face with the deer when its face platted right onto my thing. And then there's little damages. Like this is all kind of bent and warped just a little bit. And then it kind of rolled down the paneling and scuffed off of here. So overall damage isn't too bad. We're quite lucky if this is the worst of the truck damage, other than of course the rodents back in Joshua Tree. But you can hear the door right there. So we have to figure out what the best option is for us. Might just find a local auto body mechanic, might be able to pop it out, look for some tools on Amazon. We just kind of started our winter here in the south. Don't really want to go all the way back to Canada to make the claims, so we might just kind of fix it up. Aesthetically, I'll never sell this truck, so it'll be fine. Our hopes one day is to have a homestead and it'll become the farm truck one day, so I'm okay with that. It's the door rubbing that is concerning us still, so hopefully we can find a way to pop that kind of all back into place so the door doesn't scratch and rust or become malaligned at some point. But yeah, we didn't hit the deer. The deer ran right into us. Our best guess is that we drove past it, it got blinded by the lights and kind of got spooked and then ran. And it ran right into the door. Never seen anything like it before. Hope I never do again.